Hey everyone, in this video we are diving into AI for developers. We'll talk about what AI is, why it matters, the tools you can use, and how to get started. So, what exactly is AI? It's when machines learn from data, recognize patterns, and use that knowledge to make predictions or decisions. Think of it as teaching computers to act a little smarter. Why AI for developers? For us as developers, AI is powerful. It helps us build smarter apps that adapt to users, automate boring repetitive tasks, and create way better user experiences. In short, it gives our projects an edge. So let's see types of AI. Now, AI isn't just one thing. You've got machine learning, which finds patterns in data, natural language processing, that's what powers chatbots and translations, computer vision lets apps understand images, and generative AI, that's the cool stuff creating text, code, and even images. Let's see the real world uses. You've probably already used AI without even thinking about it. Chatbots that answer your questions, tools like GitHub, Copilot that help you write code, recommendation engines on Netflix or Amazon, all powered by AI. Developer tools. The good news is you don't have to reinvent the wheel. You don't have to reinvent the wheel. Tools like TensorFlow and PyTorch let you build models. Platforms like OpenAI and Hugging Face give you access to powerful pre-trained ones. And frameworks like LangChain help you plug AI into real-world apps. Super friendly. About crowd AI, and if you're working in the crowd, it gets even easier. AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud all offer ready-to-use AI services. Vision, speech, translations, machine learning, so you can focus on features instead of training massive models. So how do you get started? Step one, learn Python. Most AI tools learn on it. Step two, experiment with the pre-trained models. Step three, build small projects, chatbots, images, classifiers, anything simple. Then deploy them on the cloud when you're ready. Learn by building. Couple of best practices to keep in mind. Use clean, reliable data. Start small before you scale up. And always aim to solve real world problems or real problems. Not just make flashy demos. That's how you build value. Now, AI isn't all sunshines. We got challenges too. Models can carry bias from data, training can get expensive, and privacy and security are big concerns. Plus, the field moves fast, so staying updated is crucial. Here is a simple roadmap. And the basics, practice with frameworks, contribute to open source, join AI communities, and build portfolio projects to showcase your skills. That's how you grow as an AI developer. And that's your beginner guide to AI for developers. And if this helped you, hit like, subscribe, and check out my other videos on AI and cloud computing. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.